This is Anurag. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about sequences. So what is a sequence? Sequence is a database object. What it will do? It will generate a sequence of unique integers. What is this? Let us see with an example. For example, there is a employee table. In that e-number, e-name, salary, some columns are there. Now there are u1, u2, u4, u5. There are 5 users. These 5 users are simultaneously inserting values into this employee table. Okay, these 5 users are inserting values into this employee table. Here, if u1 user want to enter some employee number 1 and wants to enter some details, simultaneously these people are all entering, right? These people will also give 1 1 1 because they are unaware that other person is giving also, other user is also giving 1. So if this user simultaneously insert the values, everyone will give the employee number as 1, which causes problem. Okay, there is no employee table with same employee ID for more than one user, more than one employee. Okay, it causes problems. So each and every user, that is u1, u2, u3, should be aware of each other what they are inserting. But this is also impossible, and one user should not, this is a rule, one user should not aware of what other user is inserting. Okay, so there is a overhead in giving the unique employee IDs. Why? Because employee ID should be unique. There is a overhead. Okay, so to solve this kind of issues, Oracle Corporation has introduced sequences. Okay, sequences. This was released in the sixth release of Oracle software. Okay, now let us see what is a sequence. Okay, what a sequence will do? It will generate only unique integers. Can a sequence generate a characters? No, not at all. Okay, here we use several attributes such as increment by, start with, okay, min value, max value, and cache, no cache cycle, etc. That means here we give a sequence by specifying these parameters. Okay, so there is something called as sequence generator. Oracle uses this sequence generator to generate unique integers. Okay, this generation by generation of these unique integers, a group of users, transaction locking will be avoided when group of users are inserting values simultaneously. Okay, and there is something called as sequence cache. This sequence cache will be in SGA. What happens is, for faster assigning of sequences, the sequence unique integers in a sequence are generated automatically before they are called, and they are stored in the sequence cache. Whenever we use the sequence for accessing the unique integers, these unique integers are assigned. Okay, let us see all these things, and we can generate these sequences in ascending order or descending order. We can give here increment by, that means how, if a integer is generated, how much it should be incremented. Okay, and start with, minimum value, maximum value, all these things we will see. What is meant by cycle? Cycle means, suppose I have given min value as 1 and maximum value as 5, then the next, after the generation of this 5th integer, again it starts from 1 2 3 4 5, again 1 2 3, like this it goes on. That is cycle. If I give no cycle, it will stop up to 5, it won't generate the number again. Okay, so if you want, for us to see how many sequences are created, for what is the minimum value for a sequence, maximum value for a sequence, all these things we can use user underscore sequences, and also we can use DBA underscore sequences. So let us see the demo session now. So here I have connected a sys user and I want to create a user grant connect comma resource to user called P1 identified by P1. Okay, we have created a user P1 and we have assigned privileges to that user. Now connect to that user. Now select star from session underscore privs. Okay, it is showing create sequence. Okay, this user is having create sequence privilege, hence we can create a sequence in this user. Okay, so first of all let us create a sequence. Create sequence sequence name increment by 1, start with 1, max value 1, max value I am giving as 10, min value I am giving as 1, cycle, and I am not specifying any cache. Cache means, what is cache? In cache the integers are, before calling the sequence only, those integers are created and those are stored in the cache. These are used for fast assigning of integers. Okay, now a sequence is created. Similarly I want to create one more sequence. Create sequence sequence name increment by 1, start with 1, max value 20, min value 1, cycle, no cache. Okay, now I want to create a table. Okay, create table employee, in that e number, data type number, size 5, e name of data type varchar2 of 10, and salary data type number is 5. Okay, data type is number, size is 5. Okay, I have created a table. Now I want to create one more sequence. Create sequence 1. Okay, increment by 1000, start with 5000. Okay, start with 5000, max value I am assigning as 20,000 and min value I am assigning as 5000, and cycle, I am giving here no cycle, no cache. Okay, a sequence is created. Now let us see how we can use a sequence. Select s1 dot curval means current value from dual. What it shows? It shows that current value for the sequence is not yet created. So give like this, select s1 dot next val from dual. What it shows? It shows 1. Okay, if I like this. Okay, now I have created a table called employee. Now try to insert values into this employee by using sequences. So for that purpose I am using like this, insert into employee values. Okay, insert into employee values, s2 dot next val comma ampersand e name comma s sequence 1 dot next val, spelling mistake, next val. it will ask enter value for ename. It has already generated a number for e number. Okay, ename I am giving as Srinath. Okay, 1 minute. Here also same thing, spelling mistake. Give next val, and I will give like this. Now ename I am entering Srinath. Okay, and second name I am entering as Virat. Third name I am entering as Sachin. Fourth name I am entering as Dravid. Fifth name I am entering as Anil. Sixth name I am entering as Saurav. Okay, I will give commit. Now see, select star from employee. What it shows? Automatically the numbers has been generated. Here I have given next val, hence it has created assigned from 2 3. Here also it has assigned from 6 7 8000. Like this we can assign unique numbers, and you can also assign salaries for employee. Okay, we cannot generate character strings by using sequences. Okay, if you want you can generate in descending order or ascending order. Similarly, I want to see all the details about the sequences I have created here. We use for that sequences. Okay, select sequence name, comma, min value, comma, max value, comma, increment by, from, user underscore sequences. Okay, what it is showing? Sequence 1, min value is 5000, max value is 20,000, increment by 1. Now I want to change this max value to 50,000. How can I change? Alter sequence, sequence name, max value 50,000. Okay, sequence altered. Now I want to drop the sequence. Wait a minute, let us see this. Okay, max value changed to 50,000. Okay, now I want to drop this sequence S1. Okay, how can I drop? Drop sequence S1. That's it, sequence was dropped. Now again give the same command. See, S1 sequence was dropped. Okay, this is about sequences. Hope you enjoyed the session. We will meet in our next session. Bye.